Jerkbait could be a solid choice today too. Got him. Crankbait it is. What is up, ladies and gents, boys and girls, all you fishaholics? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a minute since we put out a video. We've been working like crazy. I've been working like crazy. Been moving into my new house and everything. You know, that's been time consuming. But we are back. We are back trying to get on these fish. We got a cool front that pushed through this morning. We had a lot of rain yesterday, so it's probably like in the upper 50s right now. I think the high today is supposed to be like 69, 70. Got a lot of clouds in the sky right now, so no sunlight peeking through. A lot of wind. I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but it's pretty windy right now. But today we are at the old high school pond, trying to get on the bike. You know, we're trying to see if we could put something together. But we are back, you know, and if you've been enjoying my content or if you're new to the channel, I would like for you to subscribe, hit the notification bell, drop a like and a comment. You know, I will have more content coming now. I'm finally off on weekends and stuff like that. We've been working 7 days a week like crazy, so I'm finally off on the weekends now. So I'll be getting more content out for you guys and everything. But today, this is what we're gonna do. Finally got it in, boom, mystery tackle box. So we're gonna go over the things that's inside of this box, and I'm gonna put together some of those things and see what I can use today. Some of those things I might not use, some of the things I might. But let's go over this box and see what we got up in here. All right, so we're gonna start off by opening the box. You know, I've been waiting like 3 weeks for this thing to come in, but go ahead and unfold this right here. You know, you got your ruler, you know, where you can measure your catch and everything like that. Let's see, we got catch and win. You know, number 1 catch, number 2 measure, number 3 you can share it to your social media, anything like that. Keeper requirements for contest entry. You know, they got all kind of stuff on here. You know, so we're gonna go ahead and go over what's in the box. So the first thing we got is some Harmony Fishing Company hooks, some offset hooks. I think that's like 4-aught offset hooks. So we could probably use those with a Texas rig, but most likely we won't be using that today. Today is probably gonna be power fishing. We have a 10,000 fish head hunter. 3/4 of an inch, 1/2 ounce. Got a nice little color to it, almost like a bluegill. So yeah, we're probably gonna use that today. You know, something that kind of mimics that shad-like, but I mean, hey, you know, bass eat bluegill too. And we have some vertical lures, green pumpkin red flake. It's like a tube bait. That'll probably be good for like punching if you had grass mats and stuff like that. So we don't have anything like that over here, so that probably won't be used today. Next we have some bruiser baits, Fish the Best, made in the US. Crazy Craw in a moonlight color. Kind of got like that kind of almost like a fluke, but it's a craw. That could be used on the Texas rig, probably if you had like some clear water. If the water was kind of dirty, you might still get away with it. I'll probably dye the tips of the claws and like chartreuse for that. And next we have a 0 gravity jig with a slow fall, lead free. So I'm probably gonna use this today. Probably put this on my heavy ride and see if we can get a bite on that. Just slow roll it, slow drag it, see if something picks it up. And we have a sticker, the Bass Mobile from Catchco. You can put that on your fishing boat. You know, you can put it on your glass or something like that. Me, I'll most likely put it on my hard hat for work. So we got that in there. Then we have the Dibble tackle box by the Catchco company. Dibble, fishing tips and tricks. So, you know, this just goes over, you know, the baits that you're throwing for, I guess, the certain time of the year. You know, what to throw and how to work it and get those fish to come up and, you know, see if you can get that bite. You know, it gives you the hints and tips on what you need to be doing. You know, but you can also, you know, post this stuff to your social media and everything like that. And we have the 10,000 fish head hunter. So it's like a little booklet. You know, it tells you about the sizes, where the hook is. So the hook is buried inside, and when you set the hook, it pops out. Okay, so it's in the top. I see that, it's in the top. And it tells you where you should be throwing this bait, you know, around docks, grass lines and weed lines, down trees and submerged timber. You know, so that's nice right there. It gives you the hints and the pointers on where you should be throwing it. So you just won't be throwing it anywhere, just looking for anything. You know, I like that. And right here we have the what's inside. And this right here is just basically telling you the price range of the baits that you have in this box. You know, it gives you the price range of everything. And that's about it. So today, I'm probably going to use this jig, and I'm probably going to use the 10,000 fish. The other baits right now, Texas rig is not prime right now for these conditions. So the 10,000 fish and the jig, and I'm probably going to have a spinnerbait rigged up and a crankbait. I might also throw a wacky rig in certain situations, but as of right now, it's going to be 10,000 fish, the jig, a spinnerbait, and a crankbait. So we're going to go ahead on and get rigged up. Oh, and by the way, I'm linked up with D.ray Fishing today. He in the truck. I don't think he a cold weather person, you know, but yeah, we about to get rigged up. We about to get on the water, see if we can get something together, see if we can pull up some slabs today. Y'all come on with us. All right, I put down that 10,000 fish and I pick up the Johnny Morris Carbon Light. I got the Rapala on here. Said dials to 6 feet, so we're gonna get at a toss out there. And oh my man, what? As soon as they hit the water. As soon as they hit the water, boy. This is where it should be at right here. You throwing a spinner, I'm throwing the crank. We're gonna see which one they want. Jerkbait could be a solid choice today too. Got him. Crankbait it is. I'm about to flip him. No, he ain't either. No, he ain't either. No, he ain't either. We kill him. We gonna get him.
That's a nice one right there, dog.
Yeah. Yeah. All right now, don't go in. We on the board. I told you that first one was soon as it hit the water, bro.
Yeah. You did.
The Rapala has got us on the board. It's about a good, what, 2-pounder maybe?
I got my scale.
But they got to be bigger than this to put on the scale. I give them 1.5 pounds, maybe 1.75 pounds. 1.75 pounds. Yeah, we on the board though. Yeah, crankbait it is. So movement baits, that's the first key that we're looking for right there. When you get that first bite, that's something that you want to target. That can tell you a lot right there. So I'm throwing the crankbait, D.ray throwing a spinner bait. He done picked up the square bill now. So we're gonna go ahead and get this buddy back, and we're gonna continue to fish. We're gonna wrap back around and hit this bank again, see if they got any more sitting right there. But first bite, we on the board. Thank you, Charlie. Oh yeah, man, that felt so good, boy. I ain't been fishing in how long, boy? I've been working like crazy, 7 days a week. Shit, boy, that felt so good when that thing hit. Oh man. Oh yeah, we might put a hurting on. They might be pushing up. If you're that close to the bank, they probably pushing up the feed for that winter time. Any shad pattern like thing, lipless crankbait, square bill crankbait, and you'll be surprised at what a wake bait would do on a day when the wind not blowing. A wake bait, burn that wake bait on the top, and you'll be surprised at how they come up and hit it. But we're gonna wrap back around and we're gonna hit that bank again and see what's up. So let's get to it. All right, we wrap back around for the second time. We're gonna see if we can if that bass was by itself or if there's more sitting right there. But around this same time, about 2 years ago, me and D.ray came out here and we put a hurting on them just in this one little stretch right here. I'm talking about 3-pounders, 4-pounders, back-to-back casts. But that was with spinnerbait action right there, so. But we're gonna see what we can do. We got one on the board. We're going for 10 today. 10. Got him. Got another one. Oh no, that's a stick. Oh man, here we go with this. I'm catching 3-pounders. Yep, it don't matter. Set the hook anyway. You never know. Got one? D.ray on the board with one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you want me to get him? No, you gonna flip him? All right. Let's get a long cast out. They got like a little dip, like a trench right here where I'm throwing it. See if we could double up. Oh, you nice. You fat. You real healthy. D.ray on the board with one right here.
Hey, you warm, dude.
You warm?
Yeah, you warm. Like, nah, he like warm, like warm.
Yeah.
He like warm.
I need to throw a chatterbait too. What the hell's in my pocket? Oh. Oh, at the boat. Nice.
I told you.
Under the boat.
That's the big one for the day.
The first one. Right under the boat, off the bank, way out here. Yes, indeed. I need to get them plied.
One by the boat.
He hit underneath the boat.
And, underneath the boat.
Yeah.
Big dollar cranking. I might need to put a big dollar cranking on.
Here we go. What that is? Number 5?
That's a nice size.
Number 5 and number 2 for me.
Yeah.
Nice one. Red lips. I mean, they feeding on the bottom.
Yeah. Go ahead and try.
There we go. All right, Billy. Go ahead and pick this Ned rig back up. We're getting a little too close though. Throw that thing out there. think I got one. Think so. Yep. Little small one. Yeah. A little small one on the net. I didn't even feel when he hit. That is number 6. Get him back in. Let's pick the crankbait back up right here. You got one? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you a good one? You a good one? Oh man. Flip. Oh yeah, that's number 7. Number 7. I wasn't rolling on my camera, but we got another. We got another. I had to turn the camera on. We got another. Nah, I'm gonna flip him. Ah. Yeah, well, my GoPro camera died, but about 3 pounds right now. Maybe 2 or 3 quarters, something like that. Nice colors on them. Nice good bite. Hit it hard too. Throwing that crankbait. So we about to get it back in though. Well guys, I just caught that big one. Next cast, got another one. Just like that. My camera died on me, so I'm gonna have to bring y'all these clips just like this. You know, I can't get the live reel of when I cast in and everything, but I'm bringing y'all the clips like this here. You know, we got the bites. Every bite that I catch from here on out, I'm gonna just go ahead and record it on my phone and upload it like that. But let's get this fella back in and keep going. Yo, last cast back to the truck. Got another one. Another slab. About a 2-pounder right there.